A new complaint from the state attorney general's office is giving new perspective on what businesses will do to make sure their reputation online is flawless. A major plastic surgery provider is now accused of using certain tactics and even threats to take down bad reviews. According to the accusations, they also took money out of patients' pockets.
Fox 13's Nia Wonk has more on this investigation into Allure Aesthetics.
He calls himself the real Dr. Seattle, advertising his plastic surgery services on social media and the internet. But the Washington Attorney General claims not all reviews for Dr. Shivad Sajan's businesses were real at all.
Allure used bribes, threats, and unlawful non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, non-disclosure agreements, to keep patients from posting negative reviews or to take those negative reviews down. It also systematically posted fake 5-star reviews and heavily edited before and after photos to make results look better than they actually were.
The AG says Allure Aesthetics was among several different names used in this operation, with offices spanning Seattle, Linwood, and Kirkland. And it was relentless in silencing others from sharing their experiences, like Victoria, who met with Dr. Sajan last year.
He then began to scrutinize my body in a very demeaning and a very humiliating way.
Victoria was one of among thousands of consumers the AG's office believes were required to sign non-disclosure agreements. When Victoria posted a review online, Victoria says Dr. Sajan's office called reminding of legal consequences.
I have been afraid to consult another physician because of the hurt and harm caused to me by Dr. Sajan.
Cynthia says she went to Dr. Sajan's office to support a loved one potentially get gender-affirming surgery with Dr. Sajan. She says an NDA was included in her friend's stack to sign, a piece of paperwork that Cynthia, a former medical office manager, says she never dealt with before.
I had never encountered a physician who required patients to sign an NDA at any point, but especially before they even met the physician.
The AG says pre-service NDAs have since been discontinued at this operation as of March of this year, but his office believes patients are still signing post-service NDAs.
These were not empty threats. Allure, in fact, followed up with patients who posted negative reviews after their treatments.
The complaint not only addresses issues surrounding reviews, but also rebates. The Attorney General says patients' names and birthdays were used without their consent, along with hundreds of fake email accounts to help the business pocket skincare rebates.
Allure received thousands of dollars every month from these rebates that should have gone to the patients.
AG Ferguson has a number of requests for the court. Among them include wanting all NDAs signed with Dr. Sajan's businesses be voided, restitution to patients for consultation fees and rebates owed to patients, and penalties of up to $7,500 per violation.
Allure violated the Consumer Review Fairness Act each time it required patients to sign these non-disclosure agreements restricting negative reviews.
Times that by the 10,000 pre-service NDAs the AG's office believes were signed, and that's a lot of money. Penalty fees are still being calculated, as AG Ferguson believes more information is on the way as more people step forward.
That was Nia Wonk reporting. Now, we have reached out to Allure Aesthetics, but have not heard back. If you or somebody you know was a client there, we would love to hear from you. You can reach out to us on our website at fox13seattle.com.